Today we're putting the Land Rover Range Rover cluster. Fuck. Stop recording.
Hey, and tell me actually what's the years?
Stop recording. Stop recording. Okay, why am I doing that? Alright, let's do it. Am I recording that?
Yeah, you're still rolling.
Today we're installing a Range Rover cluster in an LR4.
Yeah, and you know, this is pretty cool. It's compatible for all model years of the LR4. That's from 2010 to 2016. As far as the donor dash, this is only going to come out of a 2010 to a 2012. So this is our project. Let's get into it. One of the first considerations when doing this is it going to fit? And it's pretty close. So you're probably wondering, what do I got to do to get this cluster in? Well, you got to remove your vents and the top of your dash and this kind of bezel that goes over here. You got to get the thing underneath your steering wheel. You got to remove the other vent and a few of the center console pieces. It's about 7 pieces you got to install, and I hope you don't break a clip.
The thing I would really say is that we're focused on the physical install, but you do have to actually do some programming in the background.